In this video, we're going to show 4 houses that I'm building, another business venture that I'm also working on now, but it's not brick construction, so there are no bricks in the build.
This one is truly here to stay. This one is truly here to stay. It's not just passing through, it's here to stay.
Look how crazy. People pass by here on the street, they go nuts, come in, take pictures, and then ask the engineer, the doctor, obviously, what is this? What kind of crazy construction is this? Excellent.
Yes, much cheaper than the other one, indeed.
Just a little over 2 months. I think it's been almost 3 months since I bought the lot and the 4 houses are already up, okay? It's an innovation, okay? It's also a business venture. You can put money in your pocket because it's construction for sale. You guys are going to go crazy when you see this project. Look here, almost 200 square meters, okay? Hey guys, arriving here at the construction site, okay? I still don't know how things are over there, okay? I don't know, I haven't been there yet. I'm learning a lot about construction, and I'm going to show you here so you can also understand that business, digital business is very similar to traditional business because they share the same concepts and have similar problems. For example, competent people, whether it's digital, if you're going to start a digital company or sell something, you need people, and those people need to be qualified and competent. We've already found that it's the same way. There's a whole lot of construction going on in this neighborhood. You know, the 80-20 of construction is the neighborhood. And over there is our house. Man, this scene I'm looking at right now is just totally crazy. Before we actually go down there and I fully show you everything, I really want to take you to a particular house and that impressive construction you just caught a brief glimpse of. It's a totally advanced and truly technological build, truly unlike anything you've ever seen before. And for me too, okay? And why did I choose technological construction? For practicality and progress, man. And you'll understand why. Take a look at this construction here, check it out. It's brick, see? And here is the important thing. Brick construction possesses a certain reputation here in Brazil. That it is incredibly strong. That it is this and that. But please take a good look at this particular one. This one, my friend, takes time. This one is all about time. And in the construction market, I'm learning that time is money. You want to see? It's truly like any other business. Here, for example, like this. Look at the very massive structure you indeed need to build a brick house. Look at this, it's heavy construction. Because bricks are really heavy, you know? So it's a heavy build. It's great, it works really well. But the construction we're doing doesn't use bricks. This doesn't exist here, look. And it's really 3 times stronger and 10 times lighter. Do you understand what I mean now, Sam? This is crazy. It's a way of building that Brazilians are used to. Sometimes people are really prejudiced against this too. But it's just a lack of knowledge, you know? You just need to do some research and learn how EPS construction works. Let's go to the class. Now let me ask you, if you build 4 houses, which one sells faster? The one that was finished faster? How long do you think it took to build these 4 houses here? Leave your answer in the comments. So, what do you think? Is it good? It is, right? It's good. Are most houses today already being built in this style? Yeah.
It's the first one, a new experience.
It's different, right?
It's different, but I'm liking it.
Yeah, right?
It's a very fast build, much more economical and cost-effective. A construction project that is on average 30% cheaper than other common types of construction.
I was just thinking, wow, it's a type of construction that doesn't use bricks, but it's a build that uses mesh, uses steel, right? Yes, it's made of steel.
Exactly.
So it has, structure. Let me show you the process here, then comes the plastering. Look how crazy that is.
It's a planned project. It's not something done any old way. It's designed with an engineer and an architect behind it. And it's a guaranteed build. It's a project that has a steel mesh with one inside and another outside. You see, and besides that, we have a raft foundation here. Excellent, because it's much cheaper than the other one.
For those who liked it, my friend, this is gold.
It's gold.
And the speed, the quickness, cost, and benefit. Guys, that's it, a specialist talking, right? Take a look here for you all. So how does the plaster look after it's finished? Look at this. Look at the quality of this plaster. Here you can really see the sandwich. Take a look here, look. Here's the plaster. There's the mesh, the iron mesh, the styrofoam, the hydroplate, all the same. Got it? Yeah, construction technology.
The technology that will keeps coming, and builders have to keep specializing, right? these construction molds. Because this here, it's here to stay.
Yeah.
This is here to stay. It's not just passing through. It's here to stay. Here to stay. And it's a quality project. That's how it is underneath. That's how it is. When it explodes in the market, the trend is for it to stop rising, because then there will be competition, and that's why prices will have to drop.
And the labor, right? Any bricklayer, site worker, even an engineer understands, right?
Here, anyone can handle the construction. It's just a matter of doing it. They just need about a week of specialized training. It's possible to build medium-sized projects, maybe 3 or 4 stories, as long as you do the structure. The truth is, in a week you'll have this here, concreted and done.
Guys, did you happen to see just how incredibly crazy this particular construction method truly is? People who are walking by on the street absolutely go nuts. They come right in, enthusiastically take pictures, and even record videos. What exactly is this phenomenon? They go over there and ask the engineer, the site manager, what is this? What kind of crazy construction is this? 1, 2, 3, 4. The good thing here is this. What's good here is that there are several levels of construction. For example, these ones here, let me show you the structure. Come over here. Look how interesting this tank is. This right here, see this? Just think about the work it truly takes to drill through, right? You take a thermal heater, much like a hairdryer, run it over here, and it effectively makes the hole. Then you run the hose through, and the wiring is all perfectly set. Perfect. Way better than breaking it, right? Which is just a regular brick wall, the standard kind. Take a look at this. This is really quite wild, guys. Tell me a little bit about the fascinating and extensive history of EPS construction.
So basically, constructions using EPS, which is that structural styrofoam, started to gain popularity because the material is very light, has good thermal insulation, and is relatively easy to handle. The idea is to use these EPS panels coated with concrete or other materials to form walls and joints, which reduces the weight of the structure and still provides good insulation performance. So to sum up, it's a modern and practical alternative that has been gaining ground in the construction industry.
Cool. And what do you say to people who have some issues, a certain prejudice against this type of construction? Because Brazilians tend to think that a good building is one made of brick, right?
Yeah, that's actually pretty common. A lot of people still have that idea that if it's not brick and mortar, it's not a reliable construction, right? What I usually say is that these newer techniques using EPS have already been thoroughly tested in other countries and work really well. They offer advantages like thermal insulation, faster construction, and often even cost savings. So it's really just a matter of demystifying it and showing that it can be trusted.
Man, I just keep thinking sandwich, crazy sandwich. Dude, but it's really wild, isn't it? Interesting. Now guys, the structure down here, you have no idea. A raft foundation was built here. Look, it's a really heavy-duty structure. A heavy structure here. There are 2 plateaus. There are 2 houses at this same height, this same level. And the 2 houses over there are 1 level higher. And to do that, they had to make a retaining wall, all done properly. They had to build, man, a huge, massive structure here. And the houses are anchored on this foundation, you know? At Alicerce, it's a construction that's totally different from the usual. And that's why I like it. I like things that are different. I like things, innovative things that have a warranty, that have quality, but that are really a few steps ahead of the ordinary. Because that's how you make money, you save time, and time is the most important thing. Because here, for example, 4 houses. Man, if you're really fast, it's 6 months of construction. Here, 3 months. From the very first day to the very end, a full 3 months. So here, in just half the time, in only 6 months, I could have already sold all 4 properties. And I could already be starting to build something else entirely, you know? It's about turning things over quickly. Guys, did you like it? Really interesting, right? You will probably have a reaction very similar to mine. It's a really interesting and truly captivating video. I wanted to bring you a truly different video so you can fully understand that entrepreneurship is deeply in our blood, okay? Entrepreneurship is right here, in our veins. And opportunities are everywhere, not just in the market, not just in business, not just in one thing here, right? Staying stuck in a bubble, you know? If you want to be successful, you have to go into other bubbles and get to know new people. What I'm doing here, I'm building these 4 houses. They're the first houses I've ever built, right? I've never been involved in construction before. And why did I choose all those benefits that were mentioned there? You saw that I chose construction. And I truly want you to like this video. Did you genuinely like this video? Did you thoroughly enjoy this video? It was a really good video, right? Please subscribe to the channel so you can easily keep up. I'm going to bring a lot more exciting content, like truly awesome and engaging stuff for you, different and incredibly interesting content. Entrepreneurship isn't boring at all. It's genuinely interesting. It's absolutely cool. You're going to love it, all right? Like this video, leave a comment, and see you in the next one. Thanks.